In aseptic pharmaceutical process plants, it's common for maintenance personnel to regularly disconnect and disassemble pipes for routine cleaning and inspection. Those maintenance schedules also include installation and inspection of sanitary clamps used in piping systems as a critical component for allowing quick and secure sanitary connections throughout the plant. As simple as that sounds, safe and hygienic connections require that you're only using the right clamps, the right tools, and have the right training to make sure they're installed properly. There are 3 basic steps to ensuring sanitary clamp best practices. Inspections are the best first line of defense against potential contamination issues. You'll want to look closely at the ferrule for gasket residue or surface imperfections like scratches, cracks, tears, or discoloration. Of course, you'll inspect the clamp itself for any bent components, thread damage, loose hinges, or indentation. The next step is installation. This requires training, as well as instructions from the manufacturer, to make sure the clamp and gasket are aligned and fitted within the grooves correctly, and not over or under torqued during installation. Finally, step 3 is to identify and confirm whether it's been installed correctly and it's doing its job during routine maintenance checks. You'll look for problems associated with contamination or misalignment caused by vibrations or other plant operation that may have been caused since installation. Following these simple best practices will help ensure that your plant and your people remain safe and productive.